Document with multiple chapters. You want the next chapter to start on the next page. You don't know how to do it. You keep on pressing the enter button, but the chapter returns to its original. Problem will end here. Just using 2 steps in this tutorial, I will show you how to add a page break. Welcome to my channel. I'm Nuria. Let's dive in. For this tutorial, I have prepared this Word document. I want this chapter to go to the next page. How do I do that? Just click anywhere between the 2 chapters. Then click on layout. You will see breaks. Click on breaks. We have a number of options, but for this tutorial we will limit that to pages. Click on page. This will make the next chapter to go to the next page. This will make the chapter to go to the next page. With that, we have ended how to add page breaks. You can scroll up and down to see the effect. But if you want the page break removed, very easy. I will show you. Just click anywhere in between, delete. Click and press delete. This will restore the chapter to its original place. If you find this tutorial valuable, click on subscribe button, like and share for more simple tutorials. Thank you for watching.